Hiya guys, Super Jordan Bros U here, and today I am doing a review on set 01913, the Lego Batman movie, Scarecrow Fearful Face-Off. It has 141 pieces, and let's review it. So first of all, here we have the main superhero, Batman. He has two faces. If I could take his... He has a kind of sort of happy face. And, hold on, let me switch the face. And he has a angry face. I'll show you what that looks like. Oh, there it is. That's a better focus. Okay. And you can actually take this and attach it just like sorry, it's kind of hard to attach things while you're holding a camera. There you go. And attach that. And he also has the little grappling hook. There we go. So yeah, there's Batman. And then over here, we have Scarecrow. And to be honest, out of all the DC supervillains, Scarecrow is my favorite. I really like Scarecrow. And I like this hairpiece, because the hairpiece is really unique. He has two faces. This face, he has a smile and kind of with his mouth open. Sorry guys, it's just kind of hard to get things on when you're holding a camera. Okay, hold on. There we go. This is a terrible review already. And over here, this kind of has a little play feature. It's I think it's like getting the fear gas into this little tank. Here's a little tank of fear gas. And put that in here. And a play feature is that you can take Batman, pretend he's like going like that, and then you just take this yellow thing, push it down, and it does this. And then kind of explodes. And then the main thing of this set is, here is Scarecrow's helicopter. Pretty nice helicopter. That right there, that jack-o'-lantern spray paint, is actually a sticker. It's not really printed on. And then there's another sticker right over here. It's right there on that little... Here, let me show you. You can't see it. Right there. There's a sticker. sticker on each side of this. Oh, and by the way, right here, that's a sticker. And so, yeah, this doesn't really spin that well. I guess you could spin it, but it doesn't spin very long. For this one, this little tiny one spins much longer if I can get it to spin. If you spin it hard enough. And a cool play feature on this one is that these little tanks of fear gas, well, there's these little things. So if you're up in the air, you can like push these down and they drop. They drop, and which sets the fear gas all over Gotham City, and then everyone will get scared, be feared. And right here is where Scarecrow goes. I'm not going to put him in right now because then that'll be hard and I'll have to put the camera down, which I don't really want to do that again. Yeah, and the back of the box, it shows you those play features. Yeah, I can turn this. Yeah, so you can shoot the fear gas down below. You can have him put that in there, and then Batman could explode it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. This is a really good set. I think you should get it for yourself. The best thing pretty much about it is this. And I know for some of you viewers out there, this looks like a very hard build, but it's actually really easy. But the only hard part is if you lose that one stinking piece. Anyways. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.